Hello to everyone. This is Joanna again, and this time it's about 9:01 at night. I just got in from the grocery store. I wanted to try a couple of things. Well, I went out to get some little TV dinners for this weekend when I work, and I ended up only getting one little thing. But I did get some stuff because I'm supposed to be making a banana cream pie for work. We will see. They were debating a carry-in and they changed their mind. So we will see. It's set for the 3rd. So I'm worried about those bananas right there because I actually needed green bananas. And as you can see, those aren't that green. And once you pull them, they start to ripen anyway. So I'm going to share with you just what I got. I got these in strawberry and watermelon. Watermelon didn't make it home. And I get this Keebler shortbread crust. And the reason that I get 2 of these crusts every time I get them is because this crust is very, very fragile. I have spoken with y'all about my banana cream pie recipe before. The original recipe that I found was for chocolate or lemon. And you were supposed to do something with the cake mix to make it crust, and I couldn't figure that out, and I ended up tweaking it and playing around, and I made it banana cream. And then I put bananas in it so that people would have something to chew on. I sliced them thick enough so that they can be pulled out. Because over the years, I've had a few friends that liked banana flavored things, but not real bananas, or they just didn't want bananas in their pie. So they were thick enough to be pulled out. I only lined them in the base, but the mixture for this is cream cheese, Cool Whip, and powdered sugar, and it's a stiff mixture, and you have to spread it with a spoon, and I have to put enough of it on here to spread because this crust, as you can see, when you buy them in the store, you have to pick and choose them the way you would your fruits and vegetables because some of them are cracked. So I always get 2 in case I mess one up. And it's this little inside liner here that I use without this piece here to put the fruit fresh on the bananas. So everything that I got basically besides the juice and the candy and this little pizza thing is either for the drink I want to make or the banana cream pie. So of course I had to get the powdered sugar. I wanted a box because all I need is a cup of this, but they didn't have the box. And then I got this little Red Baron pizza, 3 little pizzas here. So I'll be eating one of these. I will probably try to go to the store. I don't think I'll go back tomorrow. I might try to go Saturday after work, or I might not. I don't even know. So let me see where I can put something down at or start putting things up. So here, this is what I'll do. I will share with you the cream cheese that I'm going to need for the pie, the Cool Whip, and the milk for the pudding. And then I will put these items up and be right back. So the next things that I got is this Welch's white grape juice. Now I am going to go back when I go to the grocery store next week and pick up that white cran strawberry juice. I did try the pink drink, guys, that I wanted to try with that juice. And I had mentioned that I did the juice and the coconut milk because I thought that's what they did, and it kind of curdled up a little bit. Well, I discovered what I did wrong. Apparently, you add some water to that recipe, and I had no idea. I thought it was just, your ice and your juice and the coconut milk. And when I did it with water and ice, it worked out great. I followed the recipe of Patrick on here, and he is a youngin', a little young adult, probably in his 20s, but he has the funnest personality, and he is so comical and funny. So I did the pink drink with the coconut milk, the water, and that white cran strawberry juice that I had. And the texture turned out the way I wanted it to. So then I found his recipe, and his recipe called for the white grape juice, the wild strawberry crystal light, and of course I do have my freeze-dried strawberries. Now he used a different brand, but I remember seeing these at Target. So guys, when I put these in the pink drink that I made up, they turned into the soft mushy ones just like they have. Even though they look like this, I was not aware that was going to happen. It ended up being exactly what I wanted. So I might try that pink drink tonight. I might not wait. Once I charge my phone up, we'll do it here. As you can see, I have my rinsed out Starbucks cup, so we're going to try his version. And by the time I come back to share that with you, I'll have his name again. I don't know if it's Patrick Meyer, but guys, he's the one that I saw the video on, this little iced coffee maker here. So I got the cooked Jell-O banana pudding. In my banana cream pie recipe, you have to have the cooked version. I usually use the small one. But I have been over the years getting this bigger one because it just gives me more pudding. You know what I mean? It makes the pie a little bit thicker. And I don't have the exact pot that I used, and I'm kind of a stickler for things like that. So I'm going to be using a different pan, and I hope that it works out. This is the first time I am making this pie for someone since not being where I used to live. The pie set up perfectly in the refrigerator there. My creamy chest pie turned out perfectly. I haven't made either one of those in this apartment, and those two desserts of mine are usually a hit with everybody that likes them. So I'm kind of scared, but I wanted to do one as a test run, but there's not enough time. The carry-in is on the 3rd, and like I said, they're apt to change their mind, and I might be told there won't be one. You know, that's why sometimes I don't like to participate in a carry-in, and usually the time frame for it doesn't leave me time to shop, because with this particular pie, I have to get the bananas while they're greenish. I cannot just go out, you know what I mean, and get the bananas, and those bananas up there, I'm going to have to replace them, but you don't have to put bananas in this recipe. But I do like to make the pudding, and you know how it develops that skin on top? I like to stir that up 3 or 4 times and have it do that, because it puts those little lumpsies in the pie that taste really, really good. So that's what this is. It's important that you use the cooked kind. And the thing of it is that I like about my banana cream pie too is most pies, when you get them from stores, they've got that lemon juice in there and you can taste it on the bananas. Or they use vanilla pudding. Like in a lot of the banana pudding recipes, they use vanilla pudding. They use bananas and vanilla wafers. Well, I wanted to try it one time with those tasty colored wafers and banana pudding, and I did that and it turned out delicious. But that was a long time ago. They don't have those little colored cookies anymore. But I'm going to go ahead and come back. And I do want to, once I get this recipe perfected, I want to try it with this juice, but I would probably need the whole bottle. And I also want to try it with a peach juice, and I want to see a sweet lemonade, something that tastes like the lemon shake-ups, if that would work. You know, I don't know. I just want to see where all this little recipe can go, because I love the Starbucks pink drink, even though I didn't at first, because I ate some cookies before the drink and it made it taste like pickles. And I love the little star drink that they have right now, that little kiwi version. So I just want to see. I think once you get the basics of these kind of drinks, you can just about make it what you want. So we're going to try that out, and I just wanted to share that. And I will probably charge my phone up, like I said, and we will come back tonight and we will try Patrick's recipe. So until the next time, everyone have a great day. Or night. I'm sorry. Have a great night.